In the plastic industry, small additives can make a big difference in how materials perform. One of the most widely used additives is oleamide. So, what exactly is oleamide? Oleamide is a fatty acid amide commonly used as a slip agent and processing aid in plastics and polymers. Its main role is to reduce friction, prevent surfaces from sticking together, and improve the processing of plastic materials. You'll often find oleamide used in PE and PP films, such as packaging films, shopping bags, and agricultural films. But how does oleamide actually work? When oleamide is added to a polymer during processing, it does not chemically bond with the plastic. Instead, it slowly migrates to the surface after the film or molded part is formed. Once it reaches the surface, the molecules form a thin lubricating layer. This microscopic layer reduces the coefficient of friction, allowing plastic surfaces to slide smoothly against each other or against processing equipment. This creates several important benefits. First, it provides slip performance, making plastic films easier to unwind, open, and handle during high-speed production. Second, it helps prevent blocking, which is when layers of plastic film stick together during storage or processing. Oleamide also improves the processing of plastics. It acts as a lubricant inside the polymer melt, helping the material flow more smoothly during extrusion or molding. This can reduce energy consumption and improve mold release. Beyond processing, oleamide can also enhance surface properties. It can improve scratch resistance, help disperse pigments and fillers evenly, and even reduce static dust on plastic surfaces. Because of its fast migration speed, oleamide is especially useful when manufacturers need slip performance to develop quickly after production. At Topwellgoal, we manufacture high-quality oleamide additives designed for stable performance in plastics, packaging films, coatings, and many other applications. If you're looking to improve your plastic processing or film performance, Topwellgoal provides formulation support and expert consultation to help you find the right solution. Contact us to learn more about our products and how they can support your production.